Welcome to Prince Institute. Exercise 19, Progressive Magazine, October 2020. Speed 80 words per minute. Ready? Start. The appellant has filed the present appeal impugning a judgment dated 4th March 2016 and an order on sentence passed by the ASJ 04 Central Tis Hazari Courts. By the impugned judgment, the appellant was convicted for commission of the offences punishable under sections 392 and 397 of the Indian Penal Code 1860 and was sentenced to severe 7 years of rigorous imprisonment and a fine of rupees 5,000, and in default of payment of such fine to undergo simple imprisonment for a further period of 1 year. Briefly stated, the case of the prosecution is that on 4th April 2015 at about 8 p.m. the complainant was pulling his rickshaw at Turkman Gate, and on reaching near HDFC Bank Asaf Ali Road, the accused stopped the complainant and placed a blade on the left side of his head and took out rupees 220 from the complainant's pocket. At this stage, the complainant raised an alarm and the guard of the HDFC Bank ATM arrived at the spot and helped in apprehension of the accused. The security guard thereafter made a call at 100 number. The accused threw the blade on the road. The police arrived, and on the searching the accused, rupees 220 were recovered and the blade found in the offence was also recovered from the spot. On 10th August 2015, the appellant was charged with committing robbery of rupees 220 with the use of a deadly weapon. The accused pleaded not guilty and the matter was set down for trial. The prosecution examined 6 witnesses during the trial. ASI Police Station Daryaganj deposed as PW1. He stated that on 4th April 2015, he was working as a duty officer from 4 p.m. to 12 midnight. At about 8:13 p.m., he received a call from the control room that some unknown person had snatched money from a rickshaw wala at Blade Point, and accordingly DD entry number 30A was recorded and the same was marked to SI Narendra Pal, who left with Constable Satbir for further action. At about 10 p.m., received a rukka sent by Sub-Inspector Narendra Pal, on the basis of which FIR was registered. Constable Satbir, Police Station Daryaganj, deposed as PW2. He deposed that on 4th April 2015 he was posted at Police Station Daryaganj. Investigation Officer SI Narendra Pal received DD number 30A and thereafter PW2 along with SI Narendra Pal reached the spot near HDFC Bank, Asaf Ali Road, where the complainant Safiq Sheikh and the guard of HDFC Bank met him and produced the accused Javed. Thereafter, the investigation officer interrogated the accused and the accused disclosed his name and address to the IO. The IO recorded the statement of the complainant and prepared the Rukka. PW2 took the said Rukka to the police station and came back to the spot with a computerized copy of the FIR. PW2 stated that cash amounting to rupees 220 and one surgical blade were recovered from the accused. The IO prepared a docket of the same and sealed it with seal of VP. The sealed docket were produced and one of them contained cash worth rupees 220 and the other contained a surgical blade. Both were identified by PW2. PW2 also identified the accused in open court. In his cross-examination, PW2 stated that when they reached the spot, no one except the complainant was present. He stated that he came back to the spot at about 9 p.m. PW2 stated that the IO had not recorded the statement of any public person. However, he corrected himself and stated that the IO had recorded the statements of the complainant and the guard. He affirmed that the IO had not mentioned the denomination of the currency in his statement or any other statement. The guard, who was posted on duty as a guard at ATM HDFC Bank, Asaf Ali Road, deposed as PW3. He stated on that day at about 7:30, 8 p.m. he saw the accused coming from the Delhi Gate side and one rickshaw puller along with his rickshaw was coming from the Turkman Gate side. When the rickshaw puller came in front of the aforesaid ATM, the accused caught hold of the rickshaw puller who was shouting. The rickshaw puller then apprehended the accused, and at that time the accused had some sharp-edged object in his hand. He stated that thereafter the rickshaw puller dragged the accused to the middle of the road near the ATM and asked him to call the police, and stated that the accused had snatched his money and that he had a sharp-edged blade.